R27 GPS drone operation tutorial. Open the packaging box and remove the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the drone battery before flight. Connect the battery. Plug in the power adapter. Charging indicator displays red. Indicator turns off when fully charged. Remote control charging demonstration. Connect the remote control. Plug in the power adapter. Charging indicator displays red. Indicator turns off when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. Insert the memory card. Peel off protective film. Unfold the drone arms. Install the drone battery. Ensure the drone is level before powering on. Press and hold to power on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The drone will automatically pair with the remote control. Wait for the video transmission screen to appear. Press and hold to perform ground calibration. Rotate horizontally clockwise until you hear a beep. Then rotate vertically clockwise until you hear another beep. Compass calibration complete. Press briefly to perform gyroscope calibration. Take off when satellite signal reaches 10 or above. Unlock the drone with an outward V-shaped stick position. Push the left stick up to take off. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Backward. Left side flight. Right side flight. Speed switch. 1 beep indicates low speed. 2 beeps indicate medium speed. 3 beeps indicate high speed. Adjust the motorized camera. Short press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone will stop flying upon encountering an obstacle. Short press to enter headless mode. The drone will treat the remote controller's direction as its backward direction. Short press to exit headless mode. Short press the photo button to take a picture. Short press the record button to start recording. Short press again to save the recording. Press the function button to view saved photos and videos. Press the return button to go back to the video transmission screen. Long press the return to home button to return the drone to its takeoff point. Connecting the app. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the app. Long press to power on the drone. After download completes, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Once connected, open the app. The transmission feed will appear. Clip your phone to begin flying. Indoor mode demonstration. Long press to power on the drone. Then power on the remote controller. Wait for the video transmission connection. Press and hold the GPS button on the remote to disable GPS. One-touch gyro calibration. Unlock the drone by spreading the joysticks outward. Push the left joystick up to take off. Replacing propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the propeller bolts and remove the propeller. Note the A and B markings. Install the corresponding propeller.